Participating in the hackathon helped me understand how to learn and implement something new in a short period of time. Participating in it gave me the chance to improve my technical, presentation, and networking skills. Industry partners were impressed with the project we implemented in such a short time, so we had a chance to interview with them and network into more opportunities. Coming from a non-computer science background, I always had a doubt if and when I could ever reach that level. But participating in the hackathon instilled a lot of confidence in focusing on what and how to improve my academic performance. I think for me, every hackathon is a learning experience. The added benefit is that the hackathon serves as a platform to showcase one's talent to the industry partners. On the other side of the coin, it is also a great opportunity for the industry partners to look at potential great employees. Hackathons in many ways mock the entire product life cycle in a miniature fashion. It involves trying to solve a real-time problem by designing a solution, analyzing it, implementing it, and finally presenting it to the end users. This entire experience gives insight into how you can build applications for either a business or solving some customer problem. Getting that practical experience always gives one an edge in understanding the theoretical concepts and subject better. One's knowledge on design patterns, software engineering, and project management can be applied to solving the hackathon use cases. I would definitely recommend everyone participate in hackathons. It gives you an experience that greatly benefits the participants. There was one occasion where we did something completely in hackathon spirit. It was at the close of my PhD program when I got some enthusiastic MS students and started exploring a new dimension of my thesis problem. Thus, Project Smart Space was born. I still remember that my advisor, Dr. Lee, wasn't too fond of the idea, given the fact that I needed to wrap up my thesis. But we accepted the challenge. The major obstacle was that we had no clue of the paradigm, and we had just 3 months to come up with something novel and state-of-the-art. We learned a completely new technology and set up the initial experiments. We worked nights, even sleeping in the lab. It was risky, sometimes stressful, but at the same time, fun. And more importantly, it gave us a huge sense of confidence. We did the entire architecture, the algorithm designing, and the experiments within 2 months. And we got a paper on smart space published in one of the Tier 1 journals some months later. Hackathons are important and a good opportunity to learn and demonstrate your skills in a limited time. I participated twice and organized it twice. It was an amazing experience to get along with industry people and build great applications using cutting-edge technologies. It definitely adds up to your resume and enhances your profile. I'll encourage students to actively participate, have fun, and wish them good luck. We used to do a lot of all-night hackathons in Dr. Yuji Lee's lab at UMKC back in the day. Here's an interesting story of mine. I went to one of Google's hackathons in New York City in 2009, where I built a fun app to do a clinical trial search using their Google App Engine platform. At the end of the hackathon, everyone demoed their solutions, and they really liked mine, and they asked me to submit it as an app for their upcoming Google Health release. For that, I had to sign things as a company. And my co-worker and I started that company called Trial X. We were featured in the New York Times, and so on and so on. And as they say, the rest is history.